Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to get my chili out there before Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone. If I haven't sent you a little message, happy Halloween to everyone. No intention to slight anyone. So here is my basic chili. This is good, you guys. This would be good in a crock pot. But it's also good in about an hour or so. It's quick. Okay, so now. Okay. You guys, my tripod is still broken. And my camera is still not, or my phone is still not completely fixed. Okay, if any of you are Diet Coke drinkers, this seems to help me tame it down a bit. I like this. I like Voss, but I couldn't find it, so this stuff is pretty good. No calories, no caffeine. So that made me happy. Okay, so now let's see what happened here. Okay. I usually use a cup. Let's see if I can get this in. I'm going to show you guys my tasty chili. The thing about this chili is this is like basic chili. And this is, I'm going to give you the recipe at the end. So 1 cup is a lot. All right. And it's very cost effective. You can make it with turkey burger. Okay, so I have a little cheese to go on top. You don't have to put anything on top, but it's Halloween. I don't, do anything. I just have a little festive food. A few diced onions might be tasty. And a little sour cream. So that's pretty good little. And then I had this thing, and it was stockpiling chips. And I said, of all chips, I'd probably go with corn chips. Okay, Henzo left a message, and he said he'd probably go for tortilla chips. And I was thinking maybe, between tortilla chips and corn, or, these would be like Fritos. These are good with chili, you guys. Or like Mexican food. These are good. So that is basically going to be my Halloween meal. Yummy. I might as well get a little sour cream. So, counting this, look at this, you guys. This is tasty. It's hot, too. Yummy. All right, I have basic meals. My neighbor made fried chicken with macaroni and cheese with corn. That was really good. Then I made meatloaf with macaroni and cheese and green beans. Then pork chops. I dipped my pork chops in egg and then rolled them in cracker crumbs and fried them. And then I finished cooking them in the oven, mashed potatoes and canned carrots. Turkey burger, and I put a really great turkey burger recipe on that video. I'll be making that again. But it mentioned on there, if you want to make your own great turkey burgers, grind your turkey thighs in the blender. What I do is I just cut the meat in little pieces and grind a few at a time. Mashed potatoes, instant, and corn. I keep those ziti, I don't know, and garlic bread or spaghetti. Steak, I got some $2 steaks and ranch beans with corn. Hamburger patty, macaroni cheese, and green beans. Now chili and corn chips. So here are my 8 basic meals. I think you get better nutrition, and I think the food is cheaper. All right, now, let me give you my chili recipe. And you can do these in any proportion. Hamburger, I fried hamburger. I had 90% hamburger that I bought at Grocery Outlet for $5, but it could be turkey burger. And I fried in a little oil with some onions and green pepper, and then I used garlic powder, canned tomatoes, chili powder, salt. And what I did is I put my coarse sea salt on the hamburger because I heard that can tenderize your meat like MSG. Red kidney beans or pinto beans. I use pinto beans. And then I added a little water as I cooked it. It depends how thick you want your chili. And then last night I did leftovers with the ziti, and the chili is going to generate leftovers as well. Okay, now we're going to have the dessert that I started. Okay, so what I made was I made some easy cookies. You know, if you've been following me, you know about the easy cookies. I want to make some ice cream sandwiches with the easy cookies. You could just eat the easy cookies. And so I will freeze these, and then, you know, when my son comes over one of these times. Okay, so then what I did is I want to make them as we're ready to eat them. What I did is I just pulled the ice cream out of here, and I cut a piece off. This is dollar ice cream from Dollar Tree. I find it to be pretty good. For something like this, it's perfect. This would be good for a little party. And then what I did is I put some skulls around the edges to create a festive kind of like slab of ice cream to go into my easy cookie recipe. Oh, my ice cream's kind of soft. What happened? This is why I don't want to make my ice cream sandwiches too far in advance. I mean, a few minutes is okay. So, here is my festive ice cream sandwich. Here is my chili. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something. 99 cents only. That's incredible cheap for Fritos. And then here's, I didn't drain anything. I just poured everything in the pot, and then I just, you know, cooked it for about an hour. Okay, so now, happy Halloween to everyone. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos all year. And I would like to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. And happy Halloween, and God bless you all.